We are halfway to spring in the turning of the year. We are halfway to spring in the cycle of the year. So we bring our candles to celebrate the Lord. We are halfway to spring in the turning of the year. We are halfway to spring in the cycle of the year. So we light our candles as new life begins all around. Spring is coming, flowers spring from the earth, new life dawning, cycle of rebirth. Spring is coming, winter's rest is soon done. As the seasons, mystery circles on, and on, and on. We are halfway to spring in the turning of the year, halfway to spring in the cycle of the year, halfway to spring in the turning of the year, halfway to spring in the cycle of the year. We are halfway to spring in the cycle